Best Manufacturing ERP. Top 6 software solutions in 2023. When choosing a new manufacturing ERP system, companies are making an investment in a product with a long life cycle. That is why the selection process needs to consist of a lot of comparisons and analyses. Here are the best manufacturing ERP systems available for small manufacturers. Intro. Choosing new software can be difficult for any business. In addition to the cost, founders and decision makers must research the software's reputation, assess its capabilities across a wide range of desired functionality, and choose a solution that will meet company needs without having an enormous learning curve. They must also choose between cloud-based versus hosted options and ensure that they purchase a balance of licensed seats for the right mix of users. For large enterprises, much of the groundwork can be done by in-house IT staff, while the cost is spread over a large product base to minimize the impact on the company. But for small manufacturing companies with 10 to 200 employees, these challenges are magnified. Smaller companies are often at a disadvantage and IT professionals may not be on staff. Additionally, the extensive capital outlay for new systems may not be feasible for smaller manufacturers. As a result, the business owner or decision maker risks choosing a system that is too weak or too strong, or one that has such a deep learning curve for already overtaxed staff that full functionality may never be realized. If these challenges are real for the selection of any critical software, it is especially true when a company reaches scale and complexity and finds itself in need of a robust, right-sized ERP system. And if the challenges exist for selecting critical software for a singular functional area, then those challenges multiply for an important decision involving a software system that will drive most, and in some cases all, of a company's core business functions for many years. MRP systems and ERP systems. To make the best choice among existing platforms, it is best to first understand the difference between an MRP and an ERP. An MRP, or Manufacturing Resources Planning System, is a production-focused control system that encompasses production planning, scheduling, and inventory of components, raw materials, and other parts or assemblies required to produce finished goods. Specifically, an MRP system ensures that material and equipment are available for production and allows for the planning of any associated purchasing. An ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning System, has all the elements of an MRP for production, shop floor control, and purchasing, but it also provides systemized management and data analysis for financial and sales functions, all optimized for a manufacturing environment. An ERP system will include financial integration of functions such as accounts payable and accounts receivable, customer relationship management, CRM, fixed asset monitoring, and other key administrative and financial functions. This allows for the integration and management of all company functions and leverages automation and real-time data analysis to improve the performance of the company. Benefits of ERP systems for small enterprises. There are many benefits to implementing an ERP system for a small company. For one, the company may need to replace an older system or one that was manually managed since the early days. Many small businesses often use cobbled-together systems or legacy applications brought over by staff from previous jobs. An ERP system can replace an older system with increased functionality and analytics to allow accurate and best practice materials management throughout the company. Secondly, an ERP system can eliminate fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs when a company uses numerous software systems from department to accomplish the initial growth experienced by the enterprise. The problem arises when the company scales and product offerings and manufacturing volume begin to exceed the combination of different systems' capabilities for providing organization and control of production processes as well as back-office functions. In many cases, fragmented software systems may not integrate with one another, and reporting between the systems may have to be manually reconciled. As manufacturing volume increases, an ERP system can eliminate fragmentation, integrating the material and business controls into a single platform with real-time data and analytics. Finally, a company may have diversified its product line with new and more complex iterations that explode the associated bill of materials required to produce. This bogs down the planning and purchasing required to feed the bill of materials and introduces inefficiency into the operation that extends throughout the manufacturing process. An ERP system can process the data and provide clear, organized, and automated functionality to manage core business functions and